Early gym session. 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 Why are we going to the gym quite early today? Well, people, I need to be productive. We had a late night yesterday, so I thought instead of going to the gym after breakfast with my mother, which was the original plan, we're going to go to the gym before I have breakfast with my mother, so that we can eat and then come home and have a little nap, maybe, perhaps, sort of, a little bit. So we've got a decent amount on the agenda today, but the first point of action is going to the gym and hitting a little shams, because yesterday's vlog, which I will also see when I edit it later on, that it was mainly, where are my keys? Oh, my keys are in here, okay. Lovely. That is mainly just me sat at my desk, so not actually doing too much. But we're out before everybody else, putting in the shift. So yeah, let's go to the gym. This is honestly like crazy bright outside. There we go. Crazy bright, and the good thing is it's a little bit cooler. It's supposed to hit like 26 today, I believe. 24 or 26, I can't remember which one the Google Assistant told me, but yeah, it's supposed to hit the mid-20s. I'm nearly hitting my mid-20s. But we're gonna go home after the gym session. Well, gym, eat, come back. We've got to edit clips, message people for PV, edit yesterday's video, and put some clips together, edit the video, schedule that, trade recap, send messages off, do some PV work. And then stream 6 till 8. So we don't really have time for a nap, but I am running on about an average of 4 or 5 hours sleep these past few days. I went to sleep at like 2, woke up at half 2, woke up at half 6, stayed in bed till about 10 past 7 because I kept falling back to sleep. I was like, no, I need to get up, need to get out, need to get at it, because hungry mouths don't get, what's the fucking saying? Closed mouths don't get fed. That is exactly what I'm talking about. And yeah, it switches it up a little bit. So good mood, good vibes, switches it up a bit because we always go to the gym at the same time, doing the same split, and it's nice to sort of switch it up a little bit. Unfortunately, I can't go with my mate because he's going a bit later, but I've got breakfast, so I'm just gonna, it would be good pre-workout carbs. However, we have got, because it's shams, we've got our traditional flapjack to scran as well, so we can get that fat, juicy motherfucking arm pump, and hopefully it's a bit quiet so I can record in the gym. So let's head there and just see what it brings us. There's something that we wanna try, just you and I, we're cool for the summer. Oh yeah, no, brilliant. Just go to the gym and don't record anything if you want, because that's good, isn't it? Makes a good video. It doesn't actually, and I should have recorded some footage, but it was relatively busy for earlier on in the morning, and I didn't want to get anyone on it, because normally if it's busy but I'm on the thing by myself and I can like set up the camera and no one's really in the background, it's fine. But like, it's so awkward if someone's on, like, say the 4-way pulley and we're fucking corresponding to each other. If we're next to each other, mate, so awkward. It's just absolute fucking scenes. But yeah, heading back, going to my mum's now, scran a little bacon baguette, and then go home, edit the vlog, send some messages, trade recap. No, go home, go shopping, come back, edit the vlog, trade recap, send messages, edit the clips. We've got it written down so I don't have to use the mental. Wash my socks, and then stream from 6 till 8, and then we have a little bit of downtime. Might stream a little bit later than 6, it depends how well we go. A little bit later than 8, sorry, but for now, let's just head back, dress, and scran. Oh baby, I love the way, every day, yeah. Ooh, I be jerking it night and day, every day.
Looking at my bitch, I bet she give your ass a bone. Looking at my wrist, said it turn your ass to stone. Stretch limousine, sipping rosé all alone. Double-headed monster with a mind of his own. Cherry red, chariot, excess is just my character.
Sorted. Right, we are just heading up to the Iceland now. Well, we've just had breakfast at our mum's. I haven't recorded anything good today, so we're gonna park. And then, have I got my charger on me? I do. Oh, do we just go straight to? Do we just go straight to the shop? I don't know, because I want to get my steps in, but I also need. I've got some stuff to do. So yeah, fuck it. No, we'll walk. We'll get our steps in. Yeah, let's head. Okay, so we are just obviously back, just getting ready. We've had a little change of clothes, put the jorts on. Obviously, it's got to be done. We're just about to take a bag and then go scoot to Iceland quick, and then come back, edit the vlog, trade, send messages off, stream, and then chillax. So yeah, should be pretty good. Let's go shopping quick. We don't need to go today, but it's one of those things where it's like I'm running low on some stuff, and it's like I may as well just do it now, because then for the rest of the week we don't have to go to the shop, don't have to spend money on food, so I may as well get it out of the way and done now. And then hopefully we have a good stream when we come back. I finally bit the bullet and bought a new pair of shoes. What did I get? You were asking? The same exact things, but just new, because these are brilliant. However, they're falling apart. Also, we got a PV. We got a PV phone case, but it's a bit naff. It's pretty cool, but I uploaded the PNG, so I expected it just to be the PNG. I didn't expect this white stuff on the background. Plus, it's misaligned. Plus, it's sticky. So like, there's no aftercutting, and it feels like a couple scratches, and it's gonna just fall off. So might need to invest in a little bit of a higher budget one for next time. But get what you pay for. I think it was like £8, so not the end of the world. Right, let's head to Iceland quick, and then get back and sort some stuff out. Nice little walk, get the steps in. Already done the gym session. It feels weird already haven't been to the gym. It's so early. I like it though, so let's go. Gorgeous day. Just head to Iceland now, getting our steps in. I've got my shopping list, so we know what we're after. It's just stuff for the rest of the week, really, nothing too exciting. Just trying to spend as little as possible. So my credit card bill's going to be like half of what it normally is. It's brilliant. Holding off on fuel, food, not spending as much. It's better. Got it. Whole shop, about $24.60. Not too bad, and that is with £10 worth of Monster. So the thought that pretty much a weekly shop is like £14, between 15 to 20 quid, is not bad, and we're cutting. So helps everything. Let's get back because it is hot. These are bloody unreal. Bit of Rick and Morty. Unbelievable. Fan on. Sorted. Okay, this is quite bad. We've got we just had a box come through, because basically for work I had this like Microsoft Expert Zone thing. I did it and I redeemed some stadium points, and those stadium points are now chocolate. Yeah, we've got quite a lot. So I'm gonna limit myself. I'm just gonna have the Hershey's bar today, and we're gonna try and make it last, because we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of like buttons and 12 bites, a mini Toblerone, this dairy milk, and 2 bars of Aero, and a Milka bar. All my days. We've got chocolate for weeks, bro. Chocolate for fucking weeks. Anyway, it's 14:03. Let's edit the vlog for a tiny little bit, and then trade. Sorted. Just got done trading, break even on the day. Oh, I want to start trading, No, you don't, bro. No, you don't. I hate this shit. I genuinely hate this shit. It didn't do what I fucking wanted it to, and it was perfect. Fucking stupid ass. Alright, let's do the trade recap. Alright, we're just finishing off editing the vlog, but I will be so real, I'm not going to put you through that another fucking time lapse, so we'll do it in a minute. And then I'm planning on sort of sitting outside whilst I reply to people with my shirt off, try and catch a bit of a tan, so we'll see what's happening, but yeah, lovely. Right, vlog's all edited and exporting, and I realised I was meant to talk to you about the plan, and I haven't ran you through it for like 3 days, so let's have a quick little look and see what the plan is. So, pretty much what the plan consists of is lock in. This is different days of the week following different variables. So we've got some for weekdays and weekends, and then weekdays and weekends when we do and don't have work. So I'll let you read this, but I'll also commentate over it. So the great lock-in, August to December 2026, Monday to Friday. This is if we don't have work. This is what our daily intake will look like. Right, so wake up, shower, 10 pages, edit vlog and schedule. 9 o'clock, leave for the gym. 9:30 till 12, chest or whatever we do. 1 hour walk is when we reply to messages. Head back at 12. 1 o'clock, send messages, new messages, and reply to current people. 2 o'clock, check-ins, send reply messages. 3 till 4, trade plus trade recap. 5 o'clock, dinner and stream prep. 6 o'clock till 8, Minecraft stream. 9, lounge, downtime, call. 10 o'clock, sleep. Now, I haven't been following that to the T because I've been getting very bad sleep recently. Not bad sleep, very needed sleep, and I've been lowering the quantity so that the quality of the sleep is better, which sounds bizarre, but it seems like I feel myself crashing and not thinking correctly. But sorry, there's no comeback from that. Those are two quite bad things. Anyway, this is Monday to Friday if I have IRL job, which I do, starting from the 28th. So 7 o'clock, wake up, shower, 10 pages. 8 o'clock, edit the vlog, schedule and get ready for work. 8:30, leave for work. 9 o'clock till 2:30 is the latest I will ever finish work and eat. 3 till half 3, trade. I will take my laptop with me 2 days that I have work, and I will trade in the parking lot on my 4G. And then 4 till 6, gym. 6:30, prep for stream and trade recap. 7 till 9, stream, 2 hours, okay? 9 o'clock, messages and reply. 9:30, chill. 10, sleep. If I follow this plan, I will make 10k by 2027. Sorted. Now, this is the weekend. This is weekend if work. Oh no, sorry, I always work on the weekend. So this is the weekend plan. The great lock-in, August to December 2026. 7 o'clock, wake, shower, 10 pages. 8, edit vlog, schedule. 9 o'clock, late for work. No, ready for work. If not, messages. So I start work anywhere between 9 and 11 on Saturdays and Sundays. It varies, so which is why I've given myself a variable. When back from work, so I can either finish at 4, or I can finish at 6, or I can finish at half 3, or I finish at 5. It really depends. So no gym on the weekends. When we get back, set up stream. 7 till 9, stream. 9 o'clock, message and reply, and then downtime, and then sleep. That is the plan. We've stuck to it so far. Morning routine, 10 pages, messages and replies, legs, Liverpool vlog, trade recap, 6 till 9, stream, yep, stream, yep. So we're en route. We are going away for a week, starting next week. So I'm going up north. Well, anywhere's up north from me, if you're familiar with the desolate land. But yeah, we're heading there from the 17th to the 22nd, so there will be no daily vlogs. I will, however, take my laptop and I'll get a lot of PV stuff done, so that will be epic. But yeah, also PV phone case, it's growing on me, to be fair. It doesn't look too bad. I don't mind it. I don't mind it. Hopefully it doesn't peel. But what have we got to do? We've got to messages, schedule this vlog, eat, and reply to people, and then that's all we've got to do until 6, which is when I stream, and then 6 till half 8 stream, and then when we come off I will send a few messages out to people. So let's go. I'm doing all this on like 4 hours sleep. I'm having a monster before my stream and a dream. Okay, that's literally what I'm that's what I'm running with at the minute. But the cut is also feeling like it's going pretty well. Woke up every day as well. I'm putting my weight down, so today we were 80.7, so I'm weighing myself every morning. 80.7 this morning, abs are sort of coming through, gym's doing well. So yeah, tomorrow, what have we got? We got legs, message, trade, and then stream. Thursday, chest and back, message, trade, stream. Sorted. I'm enjoying the grind. I'm falling in love with the journey, so hopefully we have a good stream. Let's see, but we're just gonna get some stuff done, and I'm always getting stuff done. Anyway, let's go. What a healthy lifestyle I'm living. Sitting down for 20 hours of the day. Curry, soup, and curries. Oh yeah, curry, soup, and sorry, fucking PTSD. Edited some clips, edited some stream clips as well. So we've got 2 videos ready to post, both the Wedgecore videos, 1 stream, 1 vlog. That chicken bites. We have half of these with the super noodle. We're streaming in 12 minutes, so I'm just getting everything ready now so that we can literally just eat, and then, because I don't want to cut it close, so yeah, and then stream and see what happens. So let's go. Alright, let's stream and see what happens. Gammon. Alright, anyone wants to say hello to the vlog or bye to the vlog before we go? Speak now, please. Goodbye, Dylan. Goodbye, Ewan. Alright, goodbye, everybody. Thank you very much for being here with me today. Okay. Hello, Lexi. How you doing? Let's go. Right. Love you all. Take care of yourself. Tell someone you love them, and I'll see you tomorrow at 6. What a mental stream. What a crazy stream. It's weird, we didn't... Not many viewers, and it started really slow, but then it picked up towards the end. So it's really strange as to what... Yeah, it's really weird. But anyway, it's fine. Stream's over now. We're just gonna chillax for a little bit because it's 20 to 9. So let's do that. I need to open a window as well. It's bloody boiling.
They give you a big pile of shit and the food, everything's kind of all inclusive.
Just had a shower. Everything's finished. We had some of these as well, whisper bites from our chocolate haul. We are sort of just enjoying being on my own, enjoying just having a, I don't know, not an evening to myself, because I always have an evening on my own, but just sort of just thinking about what I need to get done and sort of just doing it and bopping about, enjoying your own company. We're going to get a very early night. It's 10 o'clock. We're going to go to bed by 10:30. We have just got to upload you to our computer so we can edit you tomorrow morning, and then write down what we need to get done tomorrow. So should be a pretty productive day. Unfortunately, trading's not been the best this week. We're currently break even on the week, but it's completely fine. Doesn't matter. We missed out on a good setup today, but it's fine. Decent stream, decent day, good charm session. Apart from the fact that we are very tired, so I'm going to sleep and then come back to you tomorrow. So hope everyone had a good day. Love you all. Tell someone you love them, and I will see you tomorrow, Wednesday. So have a good Wednesday night if you're watching this on Wednesday. And yeah, take care of yourself, tell someone you love them, and I'll see you tomorrow.